Hello everyone, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. Today we will learn how to delete a linked list using recursion. So the problem statement says we have given a single linked list. We have to write a function to delete a linked list using recursion. Deleting a linked list means deleting all the nodes of the linked list. Let's see the algorithm for the problem. We start from checking head equal to null or not. If head is equal to null, then linked list is empty. We simply return in this case. Else, recursively delete linked list after head node and finally deleting the head node. Let's understand its recursive code using an example. So, we have to delete a linked list 1, 12, 1, 4, 1. Initially, head will point to 1. So we start from passing head in the function. So initially, main will call the function delete list with head pointing to 1. Since head is not null, it will recursively call the function on next node, which is 12. So delete list 1 will call delete list 12. Since head is still not null, delete list 12 will recursively call delete list 1. Since current head is pointing to 1, delete list 1 will call delete list function by passing head pointing to 4 as parameter. Next of 4 is pointing to 1, so delete list 4 will call delete list 1. After that, delete list 1 will call delete list null. Since head is null, it will enter the if condition and will return. So delete list null will return to previous calling function, which is delete list 1. So delete list 1 will execute remaining statements, which is deleting the node. Node which is to be deleted is the node to which the function is returned. So it is returned to delete list 1. So node to be deleted is 1, the last node using the free function. After deleting, it will return to delete list 4. So now delete list 4 will delete node pointing on 4 and will return to delete list 1. After that, delete list 1 will delete node 1 and will return to delete list 12. Next, delete list 12 will delete node containing data as 12, which is second node, and will return to delete list 1. Finally, delete list 1 function will delete the only remaining node, which is the first node containing 1, and will return to main calling function. So finally our linked list is deleted. So this verifies our algorithm. Time complexity of this recursive algorithm is O(n), where n is the number of nodes present in the linked list. With this, we end our tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.